Hey guys, how are you doing? Paying for several artificial intelligence tools at the same time is becoming more and more common. One for text, another for images, another for video, another for presentations, another for documents, and so on. Rix AI aims to bring all of this together in one place. Chat, images, video, slides, documents, and AI agents all working within the same platform. Today I'm going to test if this promise makes sense in practice and if an all-in-one tool can really save time and money. Deal? So let's get to the video. Rix AI is an AI platform designed to function as a complete workspace. Instead of using several separate tools, you can work with text, images, videos, documents, slides, and AI agents all in the same place. The idea is simple. Reduce tab switching, centralize the creative process, and allow different types of content to be created in a single workflow. Well, the first test is the workflow for content creation. The creator needs to quickly put together a package for social media. Video idea, short script, caption, image, and the video itself. And for that, I'm going to use this prompt here. Create a short video idea to promote an AI productivity tool. Include a hook, script for Reels or TikTok, caption, and call to action. So here the goal is to see if Rix AI can generate a useful initial structure without needing to open several different tools. And that's it. In just a few seconds, it brought me an idea for a short video to promote an AI productivity tool with the video concept, hook, video script, caption, and production tips to help the video go viral. So you see, in just a few seconds, it delivered a complete idea for me to produce my content. And without leaving the platform, I can then stay in the same environment and ask for an image for this campaign using this prompt right here. Create a cinematic image of a person working in a modern office with artificial intelligence elements, screens with graphs, and a professional advertisement look. So here in the image creation section, I can choose the artificial intelligence model I want to use. I have all these options here, including the most advanced ones like Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2.0. I can also choose the aspect ratio and resolution, 1K, 2K, and 4K. And the quality, low, medium, or high. I can also choose the style of my image here. Once that's done, I just need to send the command. And look, in just a few seconds, it generated the image for me. So without leaving the platform, I was able to create the main idea for my video and also an image. Now I can also test video generation. And for that, I'm going to use this prompt here. Create a short cinematic video showing a person using artificial intelligence to organize tasks and speed up work with a social media ad style. So now here in the video generation section, I can choose the artificial intelligence model I want to use. What are the options? Cdance 2.0, Kling AI, 1 AI, Google View, 3.1 View 3.1, Fast Happy Horse, and so on. I can also choose the aspect ratio, the resolution, 480 or 720p, the duration of my video, up to 15 seconds, and how many videos I want to create at once, 1, 2, 3, or 4. After finishing the setup, you just send your command. And that's it. In less than 2 minutes, it created this video for me. Let's watch. Hey AI, organize these tasks and give me a summary. Cool, right? So this first test shows the main selling point of this tool. Create text, image, and video in the same workflow, saving time and reducing the need for multiple subscriptions. Now let's test its use for business. Imagine a fishing equipment store that needs a campaign to promote products, attract customers, and sell more. I'm going to use this prompt here. Create a marketing campaign proposal for a fishing equipment store. Include target audience, objectives, ideas for social media, paid ads, short videos, and promotional actions. So here, I want to see if Rix AI can organize a clear proposal to present to my client. And look at the result. In just a few seconds, it managed to organize it for me. Marketing campaign proposal. And it even chose the name of my fishing store. Right catch. Campaign objectives, target audience, social media strategy, short videos, paid ads, meta ads, Google ads, promotional activations, bundles, suggested execution schedule, and so on. In other words, I have my complete campaign proposal here to present to my client. But then I can go further and ask for a version in presentation format. I'm going to use this prompt here. Turn this campaign into a short and professional sales presentation to show to the store owner. Look, it's already finished and brought here for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a very complete presentation that I can use however I want. And there's more. I still have the option here to download this presentation in PPTX, PDF, or HTML format. So, look at the quality of this material. Everything was done within the same workflow. First, I asked the artificial intelligence to give me a tip to create my campaign, and after that, I turned this tip into a professional presentation, and the result is simply amazing. Now, I can also generate a promotional image. For that, I'm going to use this prompt here. Create a realistic advertising image for a fishing equipment store with rods, reels, artificial lures, and accessories organized in a professional composition. Done, it's finished, and just look at this result. It's really an ultra-realistic image, and I have other options as well. I can upscale this image, I can expand it, erase any element I don't want, remove the background, and add a new background. Look at how many cool things I can do within the same workflow. Well, now I'm going to test the Agentic mode. The idea here is to give a broader task and let the agent organize the process. Let's use this prompt. Create an informative report on the stock market with recent trends, standout sectors, macroeconomic risks, and key considerations for beginner investors. Do not make any buy or sell recommendations for stocks. So, in this test, the main point is to observe whether the Agentic mode can plan the task, break the process into steps, and deliver the result in an organized way. This is the type of use where the Agentic mode makes the most sense. Tasks that require organization, more steps, and a more complete final delivery. There you go, it's already finished. And just look at the quality of this report. Just the way I asked. And even here on the side, it separated some topics that make navigation easier. So, when I click, it automatically takes me to the exact point in the text. And here I have the file that I can download in PDF, Word, or Markdown format. But then I decided to go further and asked it to create a dashboard for me. And look how it turned out. I'm using that data from the report. It set up a complete dashboard for me here with responsive icons and a dark theme. So here I have the overview, trends, sectors, risks, Brazil factor for beginners, and the sources used. Look how cool that is. So, all of this happened within the same tool, without me having to keep jumping from tab to tab. Well, now I'm going to talk about price. HIX AI offers 3 main options. The free plan gives you 20 free credits per month, so you can test the platform. The Pro plan already includes 1,500 credits and access to premium features. And the Max plan is the recommended plan for those who intend to use the platform more frequently, such as creators, freelancers, marketing professionals, and advanced users. The annual plan starts at $14.99 per month, with 50 off. So, it ends up being really worth it. Pretty cool, right? HIX AI tries to solve a very common problem: the number of separate tools that many people use to work with artificial intelligence. If you want to check out HIX AI, the link is in the description and also in the first pinned comment. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
My fingertips are stained with blue light, searching